Welcome to your channel. Let's revise with Prathamesh. Worksheet for class LKG and UKG. Question. Write the spelling of ear. The spelling of ear is E-A-R. Ear. Question. Write the numbers that comes in between 5 and 7. 6. 6 comes between 5 and 7. Question. Match the correct option. A2, B4, C5, D1. There are 2 circles, so we match 2. There are 4 stars, so we match 4. There are 5 rhombus, so we match 5. There is a 1 triangle, so we write 1. Question. Which animal walks slowly? Monkey, tortoise, rabbit. Tortoise. Friends, tortoise walks slowly. Question. Opposite of full. Empty. The opposite of full is empty. Question. Hen baby is called chicken. The baby of hen is called chicken. Question. Complete the missing letters in words. T-M-T-O. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Question. How is the weather today? A rainy day, B sunny day, C cold day. Correct answer is a rainy day. Question. In which season we wear a jacket? A summer season, B winter season, C rainy season. Correct answer is B winter season. Question. When we are hungry, what do we eat? A air, B water, C food. Correct answer is C food. Question. Tick the correct option. Ice cream is cold or hot? Cold. Question. Which one do not keep in the fridge? Potato, vegetables, ice cream. Potato. Friends, potato do not keep in the fridge. Question. When we use raincoat? A winter season, B rainy season, C summer season. Correct answer is B rainy season. Question. You make a meaningful word with the help of letter N-E-H. Correct answer is a hen. We can make a meaningful word with the help of letter H, E, N, hen. Question. Write the color name. There is a blue jacket, so we write blue. There is a red jacket, so we write red. There is a yellow jacket, so we write yellow. And there is a green jacket, so we write green. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos. Bye bye.